What is up, guys? Today we are going to be checking out the new UFO update in Animal Company. Let's go. We got Luca and we got Purple.
The Scott.
Now let's go.
Yeah. Let's get it. Wait, whoa! I'm gonna eat Jeff.
Oh wait. No, don't eat Jeff. What did Jeff do? Okay, fine. I'll eat Jeff too. Purple, you want a Jeff to eat? Okay.
You coming?
I'm here.
Hey, boy, this beautiful UFO.
Is Purple already up there?
Did you see him at spawn? Oh wait, he's right there. He's right there. Oh, I'm in the UFO. Wait, should we wait for?
What?
Yes, fine.
Let's go.
I have never been in. I've been in here once, but that's it.
I've been in here twice.
Twice already with Epic?
No, because Epic was being a bum. Sorry, Epic, if you're watching.
Does Epic still play Animal Company?
Yeah, he does. Oh, wait, there's an Armstrong.
Armstrong.
Oh, wait, he has a little space hat. He's like a mini Armstrong. He's a mini guy.
I found it! Guys, the whole video right now is gonna be just me killing this Armstrong. Finally! I didn't only just moonwalks, that's kind of sad. For 10 minutes.
I'm gonna use my
Steven, where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, which way do we go? This is
Owie wowie.
What?
Owie
What?
wowie.
Who died? How did you die?
There's an Armstrong right there. I don't like that noise. Freaks me out.
Bro, get on the ceiling. Cause don't touch me.
I think this is the wrong way. Yeah, this is the wrong way. It's this way, guys. It's this way.
This is kind of
Boys,
scary.
Run. I heard it.
Run.
I heard like a big roar. Since it sounded like it was coming towards us. Guys,
I wish you could get suitcases from this place.
nope. Wait for it to close.
Oh, do not go in the weird electricity thing.
What?
Well, no.
Where am I supposed to go?
You're supposed to keep going. Luca's.
Steven,
Oh, Luca.
go in the pipe.
Purple.
Yo, go in the tube.
Purple. What did you see over there?
What?
No, guys, we need to go over here.
Yo, Steven, go in the tube.
No, we don't go in the tube. Too bad.
We don't?
No, we're not supposed to. We're supposed to cross. It's worth the damage.
But I
Ow.
don't have anything to help me.
Yo,
with it.
Steven, don't die. But where are we supposed to go?
We're supposed to
What
go
is
in the
that
direction that
noise?
we're supposed to be going.
Is that an
This
alien?
Oh,
is the
wait,
wrong way.
okay. Second level, I think.
Level 2, boys.
This is the first level. We already did
No,
the
No,
this is the second.
Okay, so.
Easy. Nope. I thought it was easy. I don't like being zapped. Guys, wait.
Steven?
Yeah?
Yeah, that was creepy.
Give it Sigma.
Yo, there's a creepy
Swim
guy.
past it.
Dude, there's a creepy guy. Yo, look out on the ceiling.
Don't interact with the creepy guys.
Oh man.
Open the door.
What the hell
I'm
was that?
about to see my.
Boys, where'd you go?
Right way, figure it out. This
Guys,
way.
over here.
Dude, this is scary.
Open the door.
What? Yo, this.
Ah. Get,
Dude.
they experiment on us. They experiment on us.
Whoa.
No,
Yeah,
the
this is-
deer, the rabbit,
Oh, it's this way.
the shark,
Guys,
the
I don't want to go
zombie.
that way anymore.
Cause we need to find a key or something.
They literally encaged my brother, bro. That's not nice. Okay, let's go.
Cause we need
This
to
way.
find a key.
No, it's not that. It's that way.
So
but
not
I
that
heard
way.
something. I
This
heard
way.
something from that way.
I'm confident.
There's nothing.
This
Uh-oh.
way. Nope.
This way.
Oh, this way?
You guys go
Okay,
first. Come on, come
luckily,
on.
yeah,
I'm not ready.
that, this way, right here.
It one
yeah.
shot, by the way.
Luca? Oh my god, it's on the ceiling.
Yo, what was that? Did he die?
No,
Who
you
was that? Yo, the guy
I'll try to
jumped
help
me.
him.
Yo, that was scary.
You go first,
What
though.
was that,
Because you have the light.
Why
I
me?
scared the shit out of me.
You have the
bro.
light. If you don't want to go first,
How about you have the light?
then hand me the light.
Oh. Do not go through this way. Wrong way.
We're not going this way. I have to go back in this something. Look,
Right here.
I'm dead. But what am
That
I?
way.
This way.
It's down here. It's all the way down here. I remember.
What are we looking for anyway?
Got it.
Steven, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm right
I
here.
don't
Where's
need
the
anything
key?
in that
Key.
backpack anymore.
Oh, nice key, guys.
Steven, did you get the key?
Oh my god.
That's
Alexa,
another alien.
stop. I don't like that sound, boy.
Run!
That is what that killed me.
What
Where's the
was
other guy? Yo, other guy.
Purple.
He died. Purple.
I am here.
Yo, visit. Purple.
Adios, amigos.
No, Purple.
Purple, revive him first because he died first. Revive him.
No, you
Revive
come here. You come here.
Thank you.
I'm coming. I'm emotional support.
What was that? That's so creepy.
It's the femboy.
Run.
Where'd you go?
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Boy, Steven.
How did you hack it? How
You there's no monster who jumps
how
on
did
us.
you hack it? It's up.
Run! He's dead.
Oh my god. Bro, what is that? What the fuck is going on? I just hit my door.
Did everyone die?
No, I didn't die.
Thing one shot.
Somehow I'm not dying. I just hide down there the entire time. I don't like it down here. It's one.
Bro, why does it
I'm dead.
one shot you though?
Oh.
That's scary.
It one shot. Have you guys not realized when the other thing
Yo, it's so creepy.
Yeah, but the other things are easy.
Right there.
This thing, like, is if you see it, it just locks on and kills you.
It walks on your shoulder. It'll. That's
Let's see if we can get out, because he's been camping the exit. He's still camping the exit.
Okay. I'm going to try to teleport past you.
We can run to it.
Oh! You think it's a smart idea now?
Maybe.
Is it behind?
Guys,
Oh yeah, you can go.
guys, it's safe. I think it's safe. He's over there somewhere. Here, this is stupid.
Spooker. You go
No,
first.
guys.
You have the biggest fight. Okay, it's not in here. Go back. Key time.
Key.
And where are we now?
No!
Parkour!
No! Okay. This is,
Parkour!
I hate
Okay,
this.
so I don't think we need to worry about Mr. Rufus. He looks like a dog.
Oh, we can't use our teleportation guns. This is a parkour obby.
Okay, but it looks
We can't
easy
use our
enough.
teleportation guns, and we can't use our grapplers.
But I think we
Oh, there's
could
a
use
couch!
We can finally go to our
Purple,
couch.
don't touch the couch, man. It looks suspicious.
Well, I'm gonna touch you instead then.
No! You know what? I'm touching the couch.
Whoa.
Oh,
My
there's
head.
eyes.
Stop looking at me.
What
That
are-
makes you uncomfortable.
Eyes.
I feel like.
Still
what
can't
is-
use our guns. Our
Bro,
grapplers.
what are we getting up to?
It
You
didn't
know, I'm
know
going
me.
through this
Only.
car.
It's an only up. It's an only up.
Oh, it's an only
Yeah, bro.
frick, man.
Bro, what do we need to do? How are we supposed to defeat this?
Well, I just said it. You're going to do an only up.
We are doing only
I'm
up.
not good at only ups. They're laser eyes.
There are laser eyes.
Is that bad?
What do you think it's if it's that bad? It's a laser
Oh my
eye.
god,
Don't
this
you-
fucking door
Oh,
pisses
it's
me
bad.
off.
Oh, it's bad. Steven?
I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh, there's a laser. Ow! Oh, wait, these are laser eyes. No, Mister. That's not nice.
Revive him.
Wait, Luca, you died?
Revive it.
Where is he? Oh, hi there.
Why are you going to me? Come here.
Luca, I'm right next to your
Fine,
body.
I'll be
Come
up
here. Never mind, I'm not right next to your body no more.
Bro, I'm right here. Right here. Gotta hurry up.
Hurry up before he
I don't think they
respawns.
do. You just have low health. And they're going to try to do it.
Nope.
Both of them are.
Oh, oh. No, no. No, I fell all the way down.
Oh my god, this is actually kind of hard game.
I am not waiting for you.
This is actually kind of hard. Ow.
I know what else is hard. Me.
You guys, I'm stuck all the way down. No!
Luca just got freaking eviscerated back into the void.
Even myself.
At least it's better than restarting. Is this the boss? Is the eye the boss?
I think the eye isn't the boss. It's the little creature that attacks.
This is a mini boss. Oh.
That's kind of.
Oh, wait, I just realized something that might end up us dead. Because we might be getting cooked by the eyes because the eyes he might use. Guys, I was hopping through the haze.
Oh, you're here? Do not touch it. I don't know.
Touch it. No, don't touch it. We need to wait for
Yeah.
you.
Dakota, stop.
Where are you at? I don't even
Luca,
see
we're
you.
all the way at the top. What do we do now?
I'm coming.
Hang on. W. I need a pickaxe to mine that.
Oh, I'm trying to like touch it, touch it, touch it.
Touch the TV?
Yeah, touch it. I just did.
And what could go wrong by touching a TV?
Oh,
I don't like it.
Oh,
how do you go back?
Funny colors. Hey, it's not working.
how the heck are we all the way back?
I think it.
Luca, how do you get the XP? Who's
Hey!
this? Joshua. Stop, stop.
What
Bro,
the?
what is
Luca,
that?
Luca.
Oh my god, my game is lagging.
Oh my god!
Yo, it's out of ammo. Wait, can I just?
I just have to go in and out of something to make it go back.
Stop, bro. My game is lagging so bad. Luca, can you buy me? Yo, it's not going. Can you buy me a rock so that I don't have.
I guess we
Me
got
too,
more
I don't
people to
have.
discover the
More
moon
things?
map. Let's go back
Yes.
through moon map, guys. Wait, minigun content creator. By chance, do you know how to defeat the boss?
Here,
Oh, yeah.
give it back.
Wait, there's a
Wait,
boss?
so there is a boss?
What?
No, there's no boss.
Yeah, so that's
Have you made it to the end of that thing?
Yeah.
Can I take this?
How?
Shut up!
How do you get a reward for doing it?
Yeah.
What do you get?
Why am I purple? Cause you are. Can I have that again? Give it back. Good boy.
Everyone, get yourself some moon rocks. We're going. Come on, we're going back. Okay, let's go.
Down in the moon.
Oh wait, that's not a suitcase.
Okay, wait, I'm just making a contraction quick.
I was hopping through the haze. Creator?
I'm over here.
Oh, you're already there. Oh my god, I'm blind. Oh, it's this part. Yippee.
Oh, of course they don't work. Cool.
What I like to do is just do this.
What?
Grapple into the wall.
Where did you go? All the way up.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh yeah, another one. I forgot.
Yo, Steven, you come?
Oh, we're already there. Me and Minigun are already there.
Yeah, I'm lost.
The thing is at the spawn of the UFO. I mean.
Go.
Oh, hey, Goat. I should call you Goat instead of Minigun, because I mean,
Follow me.
Or you can just call
me.
me money.
Ah,
Yeah, just call me.
You're on
I don't
lost.
like being electrocuted like that.
You're lost.
The UFO, like this beginning.
Alright, come on.
Okay, let's go.
I'm lost.
Sorry, I'm so slow.
A room with.
This spawn. I'm getting lost.
Mean
I mean, something that spawned of the UFO.
And we made
this
it.
part. We're fine.
What the? Somebody's been already down here?
Let's just keep going.
Alright, keep going.
Guys, be careful. There's monsters in the thing. I died. Here, I have no idea where you are, though. I know I died. I'm back. The thing.
I'm
I'm just running around.
okay, over here.
Can we?
Oh, and the fight's already open. Let's go.
Did it go eat? I'm gonna
I
go.
forgot that we opened it already, but let's go. I'll take the free W.
Is there a hand, body, and other stuff? What the fuck?
We have to use our front ability.
Did he die?
Oh wait, hang on. I fumbled.
No.
I forgot they can't.
I'm at the second level of the
Go!
spaceship.
Where'd you go? Go!
Oh my gosh, I literally.
Oh. I'm actually physically blind. I have no clue. Is this the end or is there more after this level?
This is the end. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, never mind.
Yo, Steven, I'm gonna go.
Okay. Ah. I suck. So bad. Huh. That's so unsettling. Spinkity, got my black yoke pants on. Well, that is going to be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed and see y'all in the next one.